To enable notification patch for water running alert in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap sound notification and then tap open sound notification. Next, tap the setting icon at the top right. Under preferences section, tap sound types. While the alert for sound notification is set to allow sound and vibration and patch feature is on, tap notification categories. Scroll down the screen. Under appliances and other section, tap water running. While the alert for water running notification is set to alert, tap the gray on option next to app icon patches to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. When this option is on and sound notification feature is on, while it detects a water running sound near you, your phone will show notification patch on the sound notification app icon. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.